Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome back to our online class. Today is Friday, 22nd January 2021. We'll start our online class. Student, we will start a small poem, Grabbing Everything on the Land. Learn the poem. 8 lines of the poem. Grabbing everything on the land means whatever is present on the land, grabbing, taking it. There came a wave like a great hand, grabbing everything on the land, its fingers of foam, circling the round. It aimed its first, uprooting trees, smashing homes to the ground. It aimed its fist at everything's sight. Nothing could survive this dreadful might. You have to read it in the rhythmic way. GHT, last GHT. Same sounding words are called rhythmic words. It aimed its fist. Fist means close all your fingers in your hand. This is called fist. It aimed its fist at everything in sight. Nothing could survive this dreadful might. People ran in and out in time with the tide. Nowhere to go and nowhere to hide. They didn't have anywhere to hide, anywhere to escape from tide, thunder, storm, like water, rain, water came. The hand was born in the belly of the ocean, fed by plates creating the potion. It grew in fury, it grew in power, the anger to be unleashed within the hour. The ocean was angry. It's trying to explain us what is happening on in the situation in the picture. No one knew what was on the way. People were working, children at play. All were busy in their activities. Something suddenly happened. People were working, children were playing. What happened now? A shriek of surprise as somebody saw a huge wall of white horses galloping the shore. The beasts dissolved under the heat, sweeping hundreds of thousands off their feet. There was crashing and crunching and tearing apart, seeping its way into everyone's heart. Lives were lost, bodies were found. Lives were lost, bodies found. Many people died, their bodies were there. Brutally killed by hungry hound. When the punch came with the force of an army, understood? The area was totally destroyed. Long, long thunder, water, storm came. You can tell rain. With very bad situation, people died. There were lot of dead bodies, lot of buildings, everything destroyed because of strange, sudden, heavy storm, heavy water, grabbing everything on the land. Everything what was there on the land was destroyed. When the punch came with the force of army, the few that survived understood the meaning of tsunami. Got it? This heavy rain is called tsunami. Some of them were left luckily alive. They knew the meaning of tsunami. The place was hit by tsunami. Many of them. Now we'll see the meanings. Grabbing means what, children? Grabbing, taking with the hand suddenly or roughly. Uprooting, pulling out of the ground. Uprooting, roots which are inside the plant in the soil are roots, isn't it? We pull it out, we are uprooting. Survive, continue to live despite of dangerous events. Dreadful might, terrible power fed by plates, pushed by the movements of rock in the earth. Potion, water with a great force or strength is called potion. Unleashed means what? Let loose. These are the meanings you have to learn it. Shrink, a loud shout. If you understand the meanings, you will understand what is in the poem. White horses, waves in the sea or ocean with white tops on them. Understood? White horses means not the horse animal, but the waves which were white. It is described so beautifully in the poem by the poet. Galloping, increasing or spreadingly rapidly. Galloping quickly, spreading, moving one place to another. All are getting destroyed. Beast, big animal, dissolved, mixed in water and disappeared. dissolved, heat, the pressure, crashing, hitting hard, making a noise, crunching, crushing, noisily, tearing apart, destroying something completely. What's the meaning of seeping, children? Flowing slowly. Punch, a hard hit made with the fist. Punch, when you hit with the hand, it is called punch, hardly. Army, here are a group of hounds compared to the waves of tsunami. Got it, children? Next, we'll start the lesson, the ham radio. What is this? The world is not a very safe place to live in. In these days, as disasters and terrorism can strike any moment, communication is the only relief in the time of disaster, and hence the need of an efficient disaster management system becomes imperative in places, public places, and even in business establishments and important commercial joints where people move around in large numbers. Understood, children? Radio communication is very effective media nowadays, isn't it? Communication means your WhatsApp, Facebook, and all. That time it was only radio. That's why radio communication is explained in our lesson. Now, WhatsApp, Facebook, isn't it? You all know more than me. Twitter, Instagram, everything is communication. On social media, you know very quickly what is happening in the world, accidents, calamities, terrorism, or about this COVID vaccine, COVID fever, symptoms, everything, lockdown, when it will start, when the schools will start. Everyone knows it very well, more than me, isn't it? Because of the communication, social media. So, how this is effective in a good way, positive way, in a negative way, we'll see in the lesson. The ham radio. The world is not a safe place to live in these days as disaster and terrorism can strike at any moment. Got it? Communication is the only relief in the times of disaster and hence the need for an efficient disaster management system becomes imperative in public places and even in business establishments and important commercial joints where people move around in large numbers. Disaster might strike in the form of natural calamities, terrorist attacks, and accidents. Thus, an efficient disaster management system which will work in adverse conditions is needed. Disaster management crew must be well trained and equipped with the best appliances which might help them to communicate the condition they are in and the status of calamity in the region they work for. In the times of natural calamities like floods, storms, or fire, what happens? The usual mode of communication like phone, mobile, etc. might not work or might become inoperative in the calamity. Got it, children? What happens when there's bad rain, bad disease? Everyone are worried about it. The same type of messages will be spread on the phones, mobiles, etc. Earlier it was only radio, as I'm telling you from that time, radio, television. They would listen only to news, to the radio news. Now we have Facebook, everything, isn't it? In different channels also, NDTV, 4TV, India Today, different channels, Aaj Tak, they tell about respective places, respective areas, diseases, areas, accomplishments in struggles, good news also, bad news also. Underground communication lines get disabled due to flooding. Isn't it? A lot of flood, water, rain, and all. It disturbs our lines, wires. Cell towers are blown over or simply choked due to high utilization. Backup generators run out of fuel or are filled up with the water. This is where ham radio, amateur radio comes into picture. Now the positive side of one new radio is ham radio. Using HF, high frequency radio sets, messages can be conveyed or relayed to a long distance. Got it? Is it clear, children? The lesson? Accurate picture of situation on the ground. Requirements and key information could be sent to disaster response team. Okay, with amateur radio operators, you have a ready for workforce that is efficient with regard to communicating with each other efficiently and effectively. They are known for innovation and are adapting to situations. Unlike commercial systems, amateur radio is not dependent on terrestrial facilities that can fail. It is dispersed throughout a community without choke points such as cellular telephone sites that can be overloaded. Amateur radio operators are experienced in improvising antennae and power sources, and most equipment available today can be powered by an automobile battery. Understand? Batteries are the automobile. Cellular phones are these. Earlier there was cordless. I hope you all know that cordless phone. No wires to it, but the network will go on. Now it's disastrous period. We have mobiles. Everyone have tabs and mobile, everything on the hand, on your fingertips, isn't it? Annual field days are held in many countries to practice these emergency improvisational skills. Amateur radio operators volunteer to help as when needed. However, there is no national database on active operators who can be called upon during any disaster, and also if they have right setup, which means ready to go on air gear at short notice. Amateur radio operators can use hundreds of frequencies and can quickly establish networks. Got it? Tying disparate agencies together to enhance interoperability. To connect the two radio operator connects many frequencies. It connects two different. Okay. In Gujarat, what happened in India? Earthquake on 26 January 2001. Amateur radio operators of Gujarat commenced disaster relief communication within hours of the tragedy. This was a radio. Gujarat, there was earthquake, very bad earthquake in 2001 on the Republic Day, 26 January. What happened? This radio immediately communicated to the public, to the Air Force, Army, and all, police, and all. So they were able to help them out. With the help of hams from various parts of the country, an emergency traffic network was established. Got it, ma? To exchange information to various parts of the country. Recent examples include September 11th. I hope most of you know this was very popular. September 11th attack on World Trade Center in Manhattan in 2001. The 2003 North America blackout and Hurricane Katrina in 2005 September month, where amateur radio was used to coordinate disaster relief activities when other systems failed. See the amateur radio here. On September 2nd, 2004, ham radio was used to inform weather forecast with information on Hurricane Francis live from the Bahamas. On December 26th, got it? 2004, an earthquake and resulting tsunami across the Indian Ocean wiped out all the communications with the Andaman Islands except for an expedition that provided a means of coordinate relief efforts. Recently, amateur radio operators in the People's Republic of China provided emergency communications after the 2008 Sichuan earthquake, and US hams did similar work following. Okay. Today we will finish our class here with the homework for today. First one, what is the meaning of survived and unleashed? Second question, learn and write 8 lines of the poem Grabbing Everything on the Land. Thank you, children. Send me the homeworks by evening 5:30. Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class.